doing right now. Okay, here we go. So this is, write the name for this number. So all these are we only have one whole number because this next one's a decimal number. What is that number? 4 times 1 is what?
4.
4. And now we're coming upon the decimal one. So we've got a 1 in the tens place. What's 1 times 1?
1.
So it's going to be 1/10.
Wait, if it's like the number name.
We'll write it like this first. Then on this one, a 6 times that 1 is what?
6.
But it's in the hundredths, so it's going to be right here. On this one, so we did that one. This one is 3 times 1 in the thousands place. And we don't have time to do this, so we're going to write the number name in words. So 4, how do I say the decimal? And 1, what is that?
10.
No, 100. Okay, no, hold on a second. You don't say a place value to the other end. I've got, on the left side, I've got a 4. On the right side, I've got 163. Do you agree? I've got a 4 and 163.
No.
Don't worry about anything else. I've got a 4 and a 163. So you read that name just like it is ordinarily. So write this down, 4 and 100. No, please. It says 163. Okay, don't worry about the place value yet. I want you to understand that you write this number just like a regular number. So don't add on to anything yet. I've got a 4 and I've got a 163. 163. And now the very last thing I do is I write the place value where that ended. Where did that end? Thousands. All right. Okay, ma'am, let me go on. All right, so don't worry about this one right now because we don't have time. So on this one, I've got okay, the next one is going to start the decimal. I've got 2 times what?
1,000.
Is what number? 2,000. Okay. And I'm going to be coming upon a decimal. Now, this is 8 times 1. Go ahead and put the 8 here. Then, so what is that? What is 8/10? How do you write 8/10? Point what? 0.8. Thank you. So that's in the tenths. Then do I have anything in the hundredths? No. So I'm going to put O for no. And then 8 times 1 is 8. Cross that off. I've got 8 thousandths. How many over is thousands? Count the zeros. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And we've written that in the number form. We're going to try to write it in the word form if time permits. If not, we'll do that tomorrow. So now let's look at these two numbers. What is that?
60.
Which is 60. Now we're coming upon decimal numbers. It's 3 times 1 is what? 3. Cross that off. So that's 3/10. Where's 3/10 going to go? The first one over, because 1 0 over 3. Plus, do I have something in the hundreds?
Yes.
1 times 1 is what? 1. So it's going to be 100th. 5 times 1 is what? 5. So I'm going to cross this off because it makes more sense to me to look at it like that. And how many places over is it going to be?
3.
3 zeros, 3 places over. 1, 2, and 3. Put that 5. So 60 and 315 thousandths. And again, we'll probably stick with writing the words tomorrow because I want you to be able to do this. All right. Then, on this one, what's 3 times 1? 3. And I'm going to put it way over here. And we're coming upon a decimal. Now, does it start with tenths?
No.
It starts with
0.
how many places over is hundreds? 2. So you're right. We put a 0. And then what's 1 times 1? So I'm going to put a 1. So it's going to be a 1 right here. Then the next one is thousands. That's going to be over how many places?
3.
3. 4 times 1 is what?
4.
So 4 thousandths, 1, 2, 3, that is going to go right here. It's easier than it looks if you make this a regular fraction. Okay, now this one's a little tricky. Okay, I've got this. The next one coming up is a whole number also. 1 times 10 and 5 times 1. Who thinks they know what that's going to be?
15.
15. 1 times 10 is 10. 5 times 1 is 5. 10 and 5 is 15. And, oh, this is tenths, hundredths, thousandths. 2 times 1 is what? 2. 7 times 1 is what? 7. 1 times 1 is what? 1. So guess what? We're just going to put 2, 7, 1. Do you agree? Tenths, hundredths, thousandths. 2, 7, 1. Alrighty. So here, tomorrow, does somebody have a watch? Because I don't. What time is it? 10:03. Oh, okay, here's your job. Sorry, you're going to have some homework. Again, this packet here, the single page, is 25? Is that right?
Yes.
Yes, 25. Okay, so you are going to do, you will have some homework, but these are going to be super easy. You're going to do, you're going to have all of these. Okay, I need you to quiet down and not speak. Is on this one, do the best you can on the expanded form. And the last one, don't worry about the number name. We will write the number names tomorrow. But this is like we just did. Write the standard form. Don't worry about anything else. I'll look at these and decide, just write today's SS for skip, and skip. And that is going to be your job. Take home this packet. So take home this packet so you will have notes on how to do that. And that is your job. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I need you to watch when I'm writing this down. I've just written it. Here. Okay, and 1 to 5 on the back. So I need you to focus. I shouldn't have 3 people asking me, what did you say? It's right here. So again, skip. And that is it for the day.